Frankie, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. Last week it was my birthday and I just turned 22. So I thought I'd do a little like what I got for my birthday kind of video. Most of it is like obviously makeup. So I'll go through some of that. So yeah, let's jump into the video. So I'm going to start with what Luke got me. And he got me those flowers up there. And they're really cute, but they're kind of dead now. They've been around for over a week. So yeah, they kind of need to go, but they were really nice. And then he also got me this Huda Beauty, like the mini palette, which is the Mauve Obsessions one. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So next I opened this and I was like, what the fuck, like why have I got a toilet brush? I was like, that is so weird. And my mum was like, no, like open your next present. And I opened this and it's a Chili's water bottle. Basically you open it up, it's got a little bag. And inside the bag is like a metal water bottle. Basically it stays 24 hours cold and 12 hours hot, but I don't really drink hot drinks, I don't have tea or coffee, so I won't be using it for the hot, but like it'll be really good to take to uni during like the summer when it gets a bit hotter. And obviously it's really good as well because it's not good to keep drinking out of like plastic water bottles. But yeah, now on to my makeup. So basically I got it from Cult Beauty and like I got this bag because basically I told my mum to order them when it was like you spend a certain amount and then you get a free goodie bag like full of stuff. So she got it when that was on, and I got this cool like tote bag, and this is the bag of goodies, like the free stuff, and I'll come back to that in a minute. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through what I got. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I've been looking for these for literally so long. I've been looking for them for days. I've been having to use this stupid little spare key that isn't like electric. It's literally just the key. Oh, for goodness sake. At least I found them. Okay, so first I got the new Huda, well it's not really new anymore, but the new Huda palette, and this is the Desert Dusk palette, and I've actually used this. I used it today actually on my eyes, so yeah, I couldn't really wait to use this for like a tutorial or anything. I was too excited. And this is what the packaging looks like, so pretty. And this is what the palette looks like itself. And I actually used like Kate's one of this when I was in Liverpool as well, so I've used it a few times and I literally love it. Like I obviously already love the rose gold one, so kind of knew I was gonna like it. So next I got this eyelash case from House of Lashes. Let me open it up. It's literally just so like I can take some lashes around wherever I go. So this is the case. Then you like open it up, and it's got room for 3 pairs of lashes, and then underneath it also has room for like glue or whatever you want to put under there. So yeah, that's really cool. I haven't actually used it yet. It would have been so good if I was still like going to uni for a long time, like going back and forth, but I finished literally in a month, so but it's still good. There's 3 colours of that. I think it's like rose gold, gold and silver, and I've got the rose gold. I think it's the best one. So next I got the Kevyn Aucoin Sculpting Powder. I got this in the shade medium. So I got this because I was umming and ahhing about getting a new contour kit, but then I kind of decided it was a bit of a waste because I never used the highlighting colours. So I just decided to get like a contour shade, like a cool contour shade. And it comes in a little pouch like this, and like you slip it out, and this is what it looks like on the outside. And when you open it, it looks like this. And it is so nice. I've tried it once so far, and to be fair, like I didn't really have time to use it properly. I just used it really quickly, but it looks so nice so far, and I can't wait to use this a bit more. So a few videos ago I did like a first impressions, and in it I had one of the Stila Magnificent Metal eyeshadow things, and I literally loved it, so I had to get another colour, and I got the colour Piggle. I don't really know how to say it, but it looks like Piggle, but I'll leave it below anyway. And anyway, so this isn't actually like one of the glitter ones. This is a shimmer and glow rather than the Magnificent Metal. So I got this burgundy colour, and this is what it looks like. So this is it swatched on my hand. You can see that it's not like glittery, but it's still such a nice colour. So next I got some new eyelashes. I've had them before. They're both the same style. They're both the Iconic Lights, and this is what they look like. I have to trim them quite a lot because my eyes are quite like small, but yeah, they're so nice. And like I needed a new pair because mine are so grotty. I've used them like so many times. So yeah, they're all the things I got. And now I'm going to move on like the things I got for free, because I got these ones because it's actually so good. Some of the things are so good. Some of the things I don't really know what they are, so I won't go into too much detail on those. So this is the other bag that all the freebies came in. This is like the reason I wanted to get the free bag in the first place. Basically you get a full-size Huda Beauty highlighter palette. The packaging of all of her stuff is so pretty. And then these are the highlighters on the inside. So this one's called Fiji. This one's, oh, I don't even know how to say that. So this is Fiji, this is Seychelles, this is Tahiti, and this is Zanzibar. This one is like a cream, and you prep with this one, you set on top of that with this one, you sculpt with this one, and then this one's more of like a blush. So yeah, you get like 4 in 1. I thought it was really cute, and I got it for free, so I'm winning. I also got another little highlighter. This one's like a mini highlighter. This is in a cute little bag. So this is the Jouer highlighter in rose gold. This is the packaging. It's really cute. This is the inside. Yeah, I've been actually looking at getting one of the Jouer highlighters for ages because everyone says they're so good. And yeah, I got it for free. So this is like another, well, you can't really get a small size of this, but another full size thing is some of the iconic eyelashes. So, ooh, I don't actually know what like style these are. It doesn't say on the box or anything. So, I don't know what style they are. But this is what it looks like on the inside. They're quite good for me because they're quite light. So, I'm excited to try these ones. But then again, like even if I do like them, I don't know what like style they are. So, oh, so next I got this full-sized lip. I don't actually know what this is. Lip topper. So it's an iridescent lip topper. So yeah, it's really cute. It's like pink. So it's very sheer, but obviously it's just a lip topper. Got lots of pinks, purples and blues in there. And that's what it looks like on my hand. And I think this will be so good for when I go to like festivals this summer. It'll look really cute. There's literally so much skincare stuff in here as well, but like I'm really like rubbish at skincare, so I'll try them all, but I can't really explain what they are because I don't know. And I got a mini Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, which I've been dying to try for ages, so that's good. So then there's other stuff like this is a hair mask. I don't know what this is, but something. This is an eye balm. This is a tooth gloss, which I'm not really sure what that is. An overnight facial cream. This is rose hair and body oil. Skin balancing mask. Professional cleansing cloth. Exfoliate. Just guessing that's a normal exfoliator. Who knows? Elasticizer, Cell Renewal Micro Resurfacing Cleanser, and this, which is like a cleansing balm. I think I actually have one of these already. And last but not least, the lip balm by Terry. There's literally so many good things in that goodie bag, and as I know I rushed through those last things, but you can see like most of them are full size, so it was a really good deal. So yeah. Oh, and last but not least, my friend Megan and her boyfriend Liam, I saw her yesterday, they got me a cute little like alien perfume. And we were saying it's so weird because I literally never get perfume unless it's a present, and I kind of run out at the moment. So yeah, that was really lucky I got this, and it smells really nice. So thanks Megan and Liam. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.